Introducing the Marque Curved Reception Desk Workstation, the ultimate reception desk solution. This desk is not only functional but also a stunning addition to any office space. Desks are a complete hollow shell, allowing you to assemble however you may need, even adding mobile pedestals for storage, making it perfect for any office or situation. The 19-inch work surface has a wire management cutout that lets you utilize every inch of space available. The Marque Curved Reception Desk Workstation is available as a single, double, triple, or quad unit. By adding units, you can go from a small crescent configuration to almost a full circle, allowing more people at the reception station. These desks come no tools required, making everything easier for you. You can assemble these desks in a matter of only minutes. No more fumbling around with tools or small screws that can roll away. There are 3 color options available: mahogany, driftwood, and cherry. The laminates are made of thermal-infused melamine, making the surfaces stain, scratch, and scald resistant. Marque comes in a solid front panel as well as a plexiglass front panel option. The solid front allows privacy and a standardized look for your work area. The plexiglass front looks clean and has a more modern look, giving more natural light. The silver frame holds a standard for first class at a budget-friendly price, making a good first impression. Visit any local retailer to purchase your new reception desk now.